Hello and welcome to Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. 'Tis me up here with the gloves on. Whoop, did you hear that? Trying to make it go. Whoop. Say, listen, folks, we sold out the 1819 Upper Deck, the Cup Hockey Hobby 3-box break. Pick your team number 1. So, I'm looking at the window. I think I might have to pause the break real quick, and people are kind of looking at it going, what is this place? So, hang on. Before I start ripping, I got people that might be coming in. Okay, they didn't come in. So, all right, I'm live in my card shop store, and people can walk in the door at any time. My wife says, get a sign for the front that says you are live, recording live. And I said, then they'd all walk in. So, anyhow, at 6:03 p.m., it is November 2nd, 2019. We sold out the Cup 3-box break. 1, 2, 3, they're right here. Here's our boxes. This was a pick your team break. So I'm going to go over here real quick to random.org or to the website here for myself. And I'm just going to show you who was on the list. So David P., Ducks, Tyler T., Coyotes, Tyler T., Bruins, Solomon, Sabres, Dave N., Flames, We Go Sizzler, Hurricanes, Roger S., Blackhawks, Tyler T. with the Avalanche, Roger S. with the Blue Jackets, We Go Sizzler, Dallas Stars, Mel B. With the eyebrow up is for a new spot mojo kind of thing. So We Go Sizzler, you get like the double eyebrows. So, because you came in and just knocked it out of the ballpark right here. So We Go Sizzler, Edmonton Oilers, Mel B, Florida Panthers, We Go Sizzler with the Kings, JSAL 35, J Sal, Wild, We Go Sizzler Canadians, Ryan E with the Predators, Brad C with the Devils, Solomon K with the Islanders, David P with the Rangers, We Go Sizzler with the Senators, Brad C with the Flyers, Ryan E Penguins, Mel B Blues, We Going Sizzler Sharks, J South 35 Lightning, We Going Maple Leafs, Brad C Canucks, Dave N Knights, Brad C Washington Capitals, and Mel B with the Winnipeg Jets in the last spot mojo. So we're gonna float on over here real quick, and we don't have to do anything. Let's start ripping boxes. So let's take it as it was. So I'm gonna go box 1 right here. So here we go. Good luck, gentlemen. This is actually the first time I've ever broken a Cup product. I've bought into box breaks. Serial number right there. Boom. So, like a fresh bottle of wine. The cork has been uncapped. So I did cut that. Oh, I did. Thought I did. All right, there's a tin. There it is, upside down, looking right. There it is, empty box. I'm keeping the box because it's my first box I ever broke. So I'm going to autograph the box. Bergie! All right, so like I said, I've watched people do this. Okay. And there's the box inside of the box inside of the box. There's the tin. Should be a pack in here. I'm thinking right, but I'm gonna spin it around. So I'm looking at it like this. Oh yeah, there we go. So let me just kind of give you a little bit better view. So first card out of the box is for, congratulations, Sebastian Aho, 195 out of 249. There you go. Carolina. That is a serious thick card. Carolina Hurricanes. We Go Sizzler. Boom. First blood has been drawn. Diddly 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 do. There you go, man. Congratulations. 195 out of 249. So that's the first one. So I'm going to try to reach down very gingerly and pull it out. I'm just pulling out one card at a time. Next one is of Tollivan, autographed. 74 out of 99. Nashville Predators. Tollivan. Who was Nashville again? Ryan E. There you go, Ryan. Congratulations. Super sick patch, man. Look at that patch. Look at that patch in there. 1, 2, 3 colors, but it's like it's part of the jersey kind of thing. That's a logo. That's part of the logo right there, man. That is super sick. Wow, congratulations. Nice hit, man. There you go. So let's take the plastic out. I'm just gonna grab the cup, the card. So I took the foam out of it. Here's the next one. Wow, Calgary Flames. Wow, look at that patch. Oh my, look at that patch. 4 colors. Sean Monahan, autographed. 53 out of 99. That's a train whistle for sure. That's right, honey. Keep blowing the train whistle for the folks. Wow, congratulations, Calgary Flames. Dave N. Wow. This is some sick stuff. Yeah. Level 1 rookie. Yeah. Wow, that's really sick looking. That is just, what was it, number 53? So yeah, he's 23. All right, next hit. Ooh, look at this one here. Check this out. Foundations quad jersey. Evgeny Knutsev. Wow, look at that little sick. Look at that autograph, man. That is on card, my friend. Washington Capitals. 1 of 15. Wow. Knutsev. Very nice. 1 of 15. Washington. I'm thinking if I'm thinking right. Brad C. I was going to say that's Brad. There you go, Brad. Congrats. Next card is, Chicago Blackhawks trios. Yep, triple. Boom, Tays, Kane, and DeBrincat. 27 of 33. Wow. Red, black, and white. I think literally my wife must be watching because every time I pull a card, she does a train whistle. She's sending me text messages. Wow, Chicago Blackhawks, Roger S. There you go, man. Congratulations. 27 of 33. Trios, the cup. Very nice. Congrats. Last card out of the box is going to be our friend and yours, Elias Anderson, drafted in 2017. First round, 7th pick. New York Rangers, 109 out of 249. New York Rangers. The Rangers. David P. There you go, David P. Congratulations. Now we just got to hope old Anderson starts to produce. Right? He was talking about him today, I think, in chat. So there you go. Congratulations. Very nice looking card, though. Really nice looking card. So that's it. Box is empty, folks. That was the first box, first tin. I'm going to grab the next one, and off and away we go. So. All right, good luck on the second box. Do the other end too, just to kind of, you know what, it seems to pull better from the back end. Yep. There we go. There we go. There's a tin. No crazy auto. No crazy thing. Box again. Put those there. All right, so let's crack it open. Grab the box. The tin down. Let's open up the box. So this one here, I'm going to take them out. I'll pull them out, slide them up onto the top of the box here. I do have a blank that I can put on top of them. So, although I do like the way I did it, we're just going to try to show that one probably. I'm going to try to kind of slide. There we go. All right, here we go. Ready, set, fire in the hole. Boom. First hit. Second box. Nathan McKinnon, Colorado Avalanche. 217 out of 249. Nathan McKinnon, Colorado Avalanche. There you go. Colorado, Tyler T. on the board. Congratulations. Hi, welcome. I'm breaking cards right now. Nathan McKinnon. There you go. Next hit out of the box. Boom! Bam! Daniel Gabriel. Rookie. 79 out of 249 on card auto. Almost off the edge. San Jose Sharks. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you? I said, you know what? San Jose Sharks will be one of the last teams off the board, and they were. And I said, you know, ironically, I'll probably pull a card, and there we are. San Jose Sharks. Nice three-color patch. Look at that patch. That is sick looking. That's cool. San Jose Sharks, we going to Sizzler. I'm going to add 2 Sizzler on that every time I say it now. We going to Sizzler. There you go. Congratulations. Nice little hit there. Next card. Grab from the side here. Pinch the box a little bit. Boom. Mark Stone. Limited logos. Look at that. Look at that. That's like zzz. 21 of 50. On card auto. Mark Stone. Ottawa Senators. Oh, are you going to fit or not? Nope. You know what? That might be the wrong sized ones. There we go. There we go. Ottawa Senators. Congratulations. We going to Sizzler. 21 of 50. Nice hit, man. Nice hit. Mark Stone. Next one. I kind of got an idea how they come out, so now I'm going to kind of grab this. Oh ho 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 ho. So if I'm thinking right, I'm gonna grab from the bottom. We're gonna show you this one. Another Elias Anderson. 28 out of 249. What do they do? Double. You know, if we get triples, this is going to be another one of those double things for Bergie. So I pulled off the bottom because I'm going to save that top hit real quick. So Anderson, 28 out of 249. So there you go. Rangers again. David P. So you got doubles. You can line them with David P. If we get the third one, maybe you can get, you know, a collection going on there. So I'm going to pull from the bottom again. Boom! Andres Johansson, autograph, on card, 26 of 35, rookie, Toronto Maple Leafs. There you go, man. We going to Sizzler. Bing, bing, bing. Congratulations. Nice. 18 is his number, and the card number is 22. So a couple numbers, or 26, sorry. 26 of 36. We're a couple numbers off, but still nice hit. Congratulations. There you go. And this big card is a button card. So I said I wanted to pull it all out. 1 of 3, the Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. 1 button, single button in there. Game used. Look how thick that is. That's like a double. So, unfortunately, I don't have anything that big, I don't believe. I think 260 is the biggest I got. And 260 will not fit in there. So, we're going to grab a team bag real quick. I'm going to grab a team bag. And I'm going to put it in a team bag for you. So 1 of 3. Oh my, I knew I'd hit something. Wow, awesome. Florida, you're on the board, Mel. Double spot mojo, the eyebrow mojo. There you go. So I'm just going to put some cardboard around it. Cardboard in front of it. And we're just going to put it off to the side. So we'll wrap it all up for you. So that's it, folks. That was all that was in that box. So that's tin number 2 gone. Box number 2. Last box. Final box. That was a big, huge card. Those are fun, those button cards. Are we going to get a triple button in here? Like I said, these boxes were just... this is all I could get. Because I was late on the order and I just opened up my store, like I said, a month ago. So me and the wife just opened up the store a month ago. So I was late on the order. So, and they called me the day of and they said, you know, would you like to get a couple of boxes? And I said, well, if you got something left, I'll do it. So we did it. And I want to thank everybody who's gotten into this stuff. So empty box. All right, so let's pop the tin. No autograph on the tin until Bergie signs them all. No, I won't sign them. Empty tin. Flip it over. All right, let's see if we can pull some. Pull us a Pedersen. Pull us a big card. Empty box. First card off the bottom. Samsung. 50 out of 249. Drafted 2015, first round, pick number 22 for the Washington Capitals. There you go. Washington Capitals. That's Brad C. Congratulations. Brad. Next card is a Hall of Fame Mike Gartner on-card autograph. Wow. Mike Gartner, right wing. Hockey Hall of Fame 25th anniversary medallion in there. Washington Capitals. Wow. Brad C. Another one for you. Congratulations. Got that up spot mojo. Nice card. Congrats, man. All right, so I'm going to pop this down. Next one. Philadelphia Flyers. Look at this. Color-coded. 7 of 33. Carter Hart Flyers. Wow. CCCH. Philadelphia Flyers. Brad C. Wow, this is the Brad C box. Brad, we just sort of sold you the box, I guess, huh? Wait a minute, we did. Basically. 7 of 33. Very nice. Congratulations. I believe that's what he's looking for. So it's got that sick looking orange ink on it. 7 of 33. Nice hit. I don't like the plastic foam stuff. I mean, it's nice and everything, but I think it actually... don't like it. Going to pull from the bottom again. Henrik Lundqvist. 49 out of 249. New York Rangers. There we go. A little Rangers action. David P. Say, Dar, can you grab me a 180 off the shelf over there? It says 180 on it. 49 of 249. David P. Next one is a rookie. Look at that on-card Henrik Borgstrom, Florida Panthers. Wow. Another hit for the Panthers. Only 2 colors on that little patch, though. That's interesting. So that's like the letter and jersey. So nice skinny little autograph, though. Look at that thing. Ding. So that is 226 out of 249. Thank you. Nice hit. Florida Panthers. Mel B. And the last card out of that box is of the Carolina Hurricanes. Trivio Teravainen. Teravainen. I want to call him Trev. Yo, Trev. Trevo Teravainen. 14 of 36. Black and gray. No red. Black and gray. On-card auto. Carolina Hurricanes. We go into Sizzler. Last hit of the break of the cup. So, folks, that was 3 boxes of the cup. NHL hockey by Upper Deck. I want to thank everybody who got in. I want to thank everybody who bought. Sometimes we hit, sometimes we don't. I understand that. So, you know, look for something in the mail soon. Again, I'm Bergie with Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. That's the end of the break. Thank you, everybody. God bless. God bless America. Thank you for serving our country if you're a military vet and you're watching right now. And that's all I got. Later, Gator. I'm going to go eat dinner. Peace out. End of the break.